So me and Illumi here are going to give you a tour of all the things that are not terrariums within the Microverse. Okay, let's go. As you enter, this is the tripod. As you enter the Microverse on the right, so you enter here on the right. This was meant to be like a calendar, for a content calendar, but it very quickly transformed into just a wall of interesting things that I have collected and interesting stickers that my partner has collected, and ancient photos. And of course we have the jade tortoise watching over the Microverse. I used to collect these stickers as a kid. They're like wildlife type stickers. Moving on from here to the left side. So we have a little moon. Wait, let me show you. This is cool. Ilo. Okay, this is the moon. And this is a little fungi. This is a really nice art print that we got from the Ottawa Valley Reptile and Plant Expo. This is a little crochet wizard octopus because, you know, I like octopi and wizards. This is an awesome piece of artwork. I'll try and find the artist and link their Instagram in the description. And then we have this little area. Yeah, look at this, pretty cool. I found these lights, and then I had made this wire tree life, and I was like, wow, why not make a light tree of life? Okay, and if we go down here, there's so much stuff in the Microverse, you guys. These are, I believe, basalt type formations. This is called a desert rose, fairly available in most Twitchy or crystal stores. We have labradorite, amethyst, citrine, polished and cut labradorite, amethyst, clear quartz, rose quartz, tiger eye. I forget what this one is called, but it's insanely detailed. Let me see if I can get it in the light here. There we go. Look at that. Then malachite and the moonstone ball sitting on an agate ring. This is an Illumi life form. And then just a bunch of sculptures. This is also from back home. 2 dolphins sculpted in a gate. This was gifted to me by a doggo life form, a doggo of the beach. She dug it up and then gifted it to me. Just a bunch of shells that I've collected over the years. This is a little coral tree of life that I made. Didn't turn out very detailed, but I like it anyway. Moving on to the main area. This is what I call the Triversatops, because on our anniversary we went and painted this little planter, and I'm trying to grow a bonsai. Okay, this is also a tree of life that I made. I was thinking of like making these and making them available, because while they're teeny tiny, they are highly detailed. We have a little agate here, and a cluster of clear quartz next to a 2-point clear quartz cluster. I believe this is howlite, but these little guys are selenium. Selenite? I'll put the text up for what they actually are. I forget. I get everything mixed up together. Okay, this is a polished piece of garnet next to a gorgeously detailed piece of agate sitting here next to Shaka-sama or Buddha. Ooh. This is a piece of moss agate, and I just love the detailing. I like to keep moss agate around because it's said to promote plant growth. We have one of the singing bowls in my collection. I have like 4. And down here are some plants. A plant tour shall be coming soon. If you haven't yet on YouTube, you shall subscribe. Yeah, Ilu. Yeah, this is my chaotic desk area. There's a secret going on here. Look out for the secrets of the Microverse first video. Okay, moving on. Right here we have a toppled brontosaurus. Oh no. Okay, he's better now. Yes, he is a cutie pie, and I just like to keep pieces of wood around for decoration. These awesome pieces of artwork I picked up in Dahab back home. There was a whole video of an adventure that I had over there with underwater footage and stuff. So right here above the Republic of Padokia, home to the elusive assassin Illumi. And right down here, next to the nation of Amphibia, is little frog statues, which the Dark Overlord believed to be a sign of things to come. But those of the red cherry dismissed it as ancient nonsense, and yet it has come to pass. I can't see them right. Moving along from this area, this is the chaos corner of comic books, Lego, Trees of Life, actual trees, and empty containers. But above that is some art that I personally made. This even glows in the dark. This one does not glow in the dark, but I made this in my college times. And here we have a blow dart, which is decorative as well as it is functional. I got this on the trip to Bali, Indonesia, which is really nice. Across from that is my chakra tapestry. I forget where I got the chakra tapestry, but it is really nice. Which brings us back to the door and the little piece of memory lane right here. I have to use a pinky to switch the cameras because someone has me handcuffed to my neck. It was very nice to show you guys around and show you all the awesome non-terrarium related stuff. I'll see you in the next one.